Good morning, guys. How are you? How are you doing? So this is another good moment that I'm going to have a very short class with you people, and I hope that you are going to enjoy. These are just a general lesson that will handle a part of travel terms in Kikuyu. So I hope that you are going to enjoy this, and let me know that your comments. Let me know your feedback and what you want to learn in the next. So without much ado, we are going to get some terms that we can use for travel. So starting with some vocabularies as usual. The first vocabulary that we are going to learn today is koboka. Koboka. Koboka is fry. Then we proceed to the next one. Ne arobokire. That's an idiom that means that the person has went overseas or has fried abroad. Then we have another one, the shiaja. The shiaja. The shiaja or roraya means overseas or abroad. Then we have foroli. 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 Foroli is country. Iria is sea or ocean. And then we have mogedi. Mogedi is traveler. Let's go to the next presentation. Another vocabulary is tigiti. Tigiti is ticket. Madomo means studies. Damaki is fish. Ingangi just means crocodiles or alligator. And then we have Mary means a ship. Then we go to the next, where we are going to have some example sentences. The first one is athomagĩra rũraya. Athomagĩra rũraya. That means he studies from abroad or he studies in the overseas. Athomagĩra the siaja. It means the same. Nĩ arombũkire arathiĩ rũraya. Nĩ arombũkire arathiĩ rũraya. It means he flew abroad. Bũrũri wakwa nĩ Kenya. Bũrũri wakwa nĩ Kenya. That means my country is Kenya. Nyumĩte Kenya. It means I am from Kenya. Then we go to next presentation. Iria rĩa Pacific nĩ inene. Iria rĩa Pacific nĩ inene means Pacific Ocean is big. Then we go to the next. Mũthamaki wa America nĩ Biden. That means the president of America is Biden. Then the next. Mami nĩ arathire rũraya. My mother went abroad. The next one. Mwarĩ wa maitũ athomagĩra rũraya means my sister studies in abroad. Then to the next one. Demo Kenya. That means I am a Kenyan. Okay. Let's see what we have next. So a question. Tigiti wakwa wĩha. Tigiti wakwa wĩha. That's to ask, where is my ticket? Thamaki cia Europe nĩ thaka. That means fish from Europe are delicious. Then going to the next. Athũngũ marĩaga ing'ang'i. That's what I saying. White men eat crocodiles. In the next one. Meri ya agendi nĩ thaka. That's to say, tourist's ship is beautiful. Ndĩ mũndũ mũirũ. Ndĩ mũndũ mũirũ. I am a black person. So Thank you so much for your few minutes. If you want to reach to me, you can reach me through +254 718 317 877. You can WhatsApp or call or text, or you can email me at martinkarali@gmail.com. So kindly, if you are not receiving notification, subscribe, like, and share, and continue learning with me. Also of premium classes, you can contact me for that. So with that, that's enough for today. May you have the best day, and God bless you. Goodbye.